I know that I want to get to the next level in my life. I just don't know how to get there. And I need your help. Will you mentor me? And she was like, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, I'm actually going to go here so I can project and not that.
Okay, let's introduce themselves, what they do, and maybe just a little bit about themselves.
School. I teach English. I'm also a registered yoga instructor. I'm a certified holistic nutritionist, and my wife and I spend the majority, as well as mindfulness yoga.
My name is Jackie Morales. I'm outside of LPK. I work on the radio for CRH Broadcasting. I work mornings for 101.1 The Beat with the Wake Up Crew. Also do middays for Mega 104.3. I as well am a certified yoga instructor, as well as we're both certified in mindfulness and a part of the Lions Club.
This is Melanie Peralta. I'm the founder of a local women's empowerment organization called Woman to Woman, and I'm also a mindset coach. And I'm a mother.
Hi, I'm Abby Knowles. I'm actually a realtor all throughout Arizona, and I just went full-time last year. I've had my license for about 4 years, but decided to take the leap. Janine's helped me.